If you want to learn how to make money online with your laptop or your smartphone, then this video is perfect for you. You don't have to pay any money to watch this video or to even use this strategy. It's absolutely free and it is available worldwide. So wherever you are from, if you're in Africa, Australia, Europe, South America, Asia, it doesn't matter. You can all get access to this easy method. It's very easy to do. Just watch the video all the way to the end so you understand what to do. And just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's free. Just click that red button and also click that bell icon. That is the notification bell, so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. So what you would like to do is you want to go onto a website called plrminds.com. So plrminds.com is a platform where you can get access to many things for free. For example, it says get unlimited access to a rapidly growing collection of the newest and highest quality PR products, and so on and so forth. And let me show you the kinds of products that you can get access to. You can get access to ebooks, videos, software, templates, graphics, niche blogs, themes, and plugins. Now, you must understand that you want to make sure that you get things for free, because there are also things that you can download here and buy them, and they're not free, so you have to buy them. So what you want to make sure is you want to focus on the free things, because you can make money from these free things. So in order to do that, you'll see over here this button which says freebies. So you want to click on freebies over here, so it gives you all the options of all the things that are for free. So as you can see here, free ebooks, we have free graphics, we have free videos, free templates, free software, and that's about it. So what we would like to focus on today is free videos. So these are basically videos on tutorial. As you can see, there are tutorial and educational videos on various topics such as internet marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, how to set up a website, social media marketing, webinar, and many more. So these are free tutorial videos that can actually teach people a certain skill. So for those who don't know how to set up a website, it's going to teach them for free. For those who don't have knowledge on internet marketing, it's going to take them through a course where they can actually learn what internet marketing is, for those who are interested. And the great thing about this is that it's free. So what you want to do is you would like to click over here. Make sure you click on that button over here. So it's going to take you over here. And as you can see, you have all access to the different videos that you can get for free. So we have this one, which is affiliate explosion, job breakthrough, 101 Facebook tips, LinkedIn for business, profit from PR products, create a mobile site, quickly using Google Sites, how to play N64 games on your Android device. So it's all different kinds of things that are actually valuable for people. Set up an Amazon affiliate discount store. So this is a nice course, because it teaches you how to set up an Amazon affiliate discount store, which people could actually use to actually make money for themselves. So if they are able to access this video for free, you are really doing them you're giving them a great favor. So what you want to do is you want to click on get it now. So you want to click on that button so you can actually get this video, this course. Then it's going to take you onto this page. Now it's going to explain to you what you'll get inside of this video. So you'll learn all about creating an Amazon affiliate discount store, getting your Amazon account and installing WordPress, store site setup, adding content to your site, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the price, it's free, and you can see the file size is 321. The category is Amazon, and you would like to download it. Now, in order to download it, you need to unlock to download. So you can either use the Twitter or the Facebook. So basically they just want you to like their page on either Facebook or on Twitter, just so that you can actually unlock this, because they're doing you a great favor to download this for free. So the least you can do is just help them by liking their Facebook page. So you would like to click over here. So it will take you onto the Facebook page in order for you to like it. So you want to click confirm like over here. So just wait for it to confirm. Do you want to like this? Click like and wait for it. Then go back to OK. So now you'll see the download button is now available. So you can now click on that download button and you realize that it will start downloading immediately once you click on that button. So the file is currently downloading right now. So now the next step you want to do is you want to go onto a website called App Forever. So the URL is app-forever.org. So it's up-4ever.org. So basically this is a platform where you can upload different kinds of files, videos, software, and you get paid when people download your file. It's very, very easy to use, and you can see over here there's almost 1 million users and they've already paid more than $200,000 to people on this website, and it's really, really great. Now what you would like to do is the first thing you need to do is you need to understand one thing that I need to show you over here, because it's very, very, very important. So what you need to understand is that you get paid per 1,000 downloads. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to upload your file over here. We're going to upload that video course over here, and now you get paid depending on the types of people that actually download your file. So we have here tier 1, which is the United States and Canada, which is over here. If people over here from tier 1 download your file, you're going to get $7 every time. People in tier 2, which is this one, which is Australia, you're going to get $4 every time. And people in tier 3, which is Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, you're going to get $4 as well. And tier 4, which is any other country in the world, you get $3. Now please note that we give you the best pricing around the world in order to take advantage of the revenue per 1,000 downloads. So you get paid per 1,000 downloads. So you need to make sure that you upload many files so that you can quickly reach 1,000 downloads, and then you can make all your money. So you just want to make sure you upload many videos, many courses, which you obviously will get for free from the website I first showed you, and you can make a lot of money from that. So what you would like to do in order to get that started, you want to click over here, wait for it, you want to click on sign up. You want to click on sign up over here. So this button over here, you want to click on sign up so that you can actually create an account. It's absolutely free to create an account. I already personally have an account. Over here I have an account, but in order for you to sign up, all you need to do is put in your email address, your username. It's free. Just create. You can also just sign in with your Facebook account or with your Gmail, and then you immediately have your account. Now when you have your account, it will look something like this. So this will be your account, a freshly created account. It will show you the balance over here. Then you'll receive a link. Now the link is what you're going to be using to actually promote your videos. So you can decide to promote your link on Facebook, on Twitter, anywhere. So when people actually click on it, it will take them onto your actual video that you've uploaded, and every time they download it, you get paid. So basically what you want to do to upload your videos, you want to click on this button over here. You see that upload files. So you want to click on that so that it takes you onto the page where you can actually upload videos. So click on this button that says upload files, and it should take you onto this page over here. So that is where you want to choose a file from your computer. So if you downloaded a video, the course video, for example, you will just click on choose file, then you would select that file and upload it immediately over here. So you want to make sure you upload as many files as possible so that many people can actually download your file so you can get money. Now, let me explain to you why you're going to be getting paid. If people are going to be downloading this for free, why do you actually get paid? Well, you actually get paid because every time people download your file, they're going to be presented with an advert from different companies. Now, when they see that advert, the companies that actually put that advert on your download, they're actually paying this website up forever. They pay up forever a certain amount to place adverts on the downloads. So when people download your file, the amount that was paid for that advert is being shared with you and the website up forever. So you're basically sharing the advert money that the company has paid up forever to actually put on your download. So that is why you're getting paid, basically. Yes, you're getting paid for people being able to place adverts on your download. And it's really, really cool because you're not really doing anything that is difficult. You're getting something for free on prrminds.com. Then you're coming over onto Up Forever and you're getting a free account, and you're uploading your files for free, and people are going to download your files for free, and you're going to get money. And it's really, really as simple as that. So I hope it doesn't sound too confusing. If you do have any questions, make sure to comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to explain it to you further if you don't understand what it's all about. But if in case you have understood it, thank you so much, and just give this video a like. I would really appreciate that. And that's about it. Subscribe to the AD Money channel as well. And I need to remind you that in order to get your money, there are different ways you can get your money. So you can get your money via PayPal, Payeer, Payeer, Bitcoin. These are all the payment methods that you can receive your money with. Now, there's an important message over here: minimum withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is only $1, but some banks do not allow it. So with Payoneer, the minimum withdrawal is $50. With Western Union, the minimum withdrawal is $200. Wafer Cash and Cash Plus and CIH Bank, the minimum withdrawal is $15. With Nutella and Skrill, the minimum withdrawal is $5. Algeria Post and Tunisia Post, minimum withdrawal is $5. eDinar Smart, minimum withdrawal is $2.5. And all other payment method is $1. For example, I use PayPal, so my minimum withdrawal is $1, which is really great. So you should try hard and get PayPal because it works best. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. It's free. Just click that red button and also click that notification bell icon so you receive a notification every time I upload my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.